Hello friends, today I come with new lesson that means 3.4 think before you speak. Before starting this lesson, it is better to us to start first chit chat. First title, think before you speak. Here we every day from morning to evening to night that we speak and we come in contact with many people. So we always speak with them. The writer wants to tell you here that we have to behave as a gentleman in the society, so that there are some manners and etiquettes that we have to follow in the society. Then society will accept us as a gentleman. That means how it's mainly that here manners and etiquettes. That means here that think before you speak. Means here the writer wants to tell us that how to speak and how to speak in the society with different people. And before speaking, thinking is necessary. It is without thinking means like that here to show us, to show our madness for the society. So let's start this lesson with chit chat first. In chit chat, that here four questions are asked here. Let's start first chit chat. That means, do you write a diary? Diary writing. Diary writing means what? That whatever happened or whatever you have reacted in today's means from morning to late night, whatever happened and what is your response, reply, and other people's also reactions, that everything that we have to write down in a diary. Means that not in detail but main points it is necessary to write down. Means the purpose behind writing this diary means we can remember main events in our life, plus that whatever happened the same event in next life, that time we can remember our previous event also. So how to behave in next life, for its that preparation means diary writing. And then we can understand our past life also, whatever we have done some mistakes in our past life, that we can avoid them in the next life. So it is better to us to write down diary. The diary writing means also what? That how to express our feelings and what did that I thought and how did I handle that situation, that is explanation. So diary writing is also necessary for us. So that writer is asking here question, do you write a daily diary writing? Then here it is personal, that you have to write down, means it is you think so, yes or no. That the next question is here, do you write letters or notes to your friends and relatives? That today the students write letter only for to do practice for letter writing in according to the questions, means according to the exam paper. But and plus that what here, that some students that here means that in our future life they will become that a serviceman or that here businessman, or that year they will do that service in the company. That time they will come in contact with many relative people, and for them they should have to write letter them. For that year they will that year do some practice of formal letter writing. But if we think about only to write a letter to our friends and other relatives, in near about 30 to 40 years ago, there was no any means of people to contact with them. In those days, people were very eagerly waiting for the letter. In those days, that people were writing letter. But in today's age of science, in the era of science, there are many gadgets. For example, that like that our mobile means that here many features are there, many apps are there. With those apps, we can within 1 second we can contact with our friends, relatives. So very rarely we write letters to our friends, but very easily we can contact with those that gadgets, that means mobile, computer, internet, and everything is there. So very rarely we write letters to our friend and relatives, but before this they were writing very regularly. Next question is there, do you ever fight with your friends? Here this is something you will think, so that here it is a funny, it is a funny that look at the picture also. In the class, many students are here, some students are there, and they are doing fighting. That why fighting, that why do they do fighting? It's behind their fighting, the reason is very much different are there. You know very well that here definitely you have also done some fighting with your friends. Fighting means always that here by taking that rods or stick and everything and do fighting means not that, but fighting with that some worldly fighting is also there, means quarrel between you and your friends also sometimes happens there. But behind their reason is very much different, means some students they do mistakes, and for that what here, for that mistakes the quarrel begins, means that the mistakes means it may be some wrong words. Means wrong words, it is not possible to take back. Then next is here, next question is here, or that here is also fighting. Next is here, that what are the argument about, means that here do you have arguments with your family members? Definitely here yes, because in our family members that we do argument with our mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, and even grandfather and grandmother also there. But sometimes what that here, you are agree with that family members decision, it is not oftenly happens, so that sometimes you are one side and all family members are other side. In this way sometimes this happens also there. So that what here the writer wants to tell you that that argument, do you do that argument in your family members, with your family members? Definitely I think so, it is yes, because now you are growing up, and growing up means you also want that here some weightage of your that thoughts. So very aggressively you expresses your thoughts in the family matters also. So that here definitely you have also faced some family arguments. Then here that what are the arguments about, means here next about what is the subject of your arguments. It may be about that choosing the dress, or choosing the material of any or any gadgets, or something here and there happened, your brother took your notebook or pencil or anything is there, in this way happens. Or sometimes you do argument about your that birthday party also. In this way it may be that here different subject about your argument. So in this way you do remember your that argument events in your family, with your family, what happened there. And in those days that argument mostly happens because of only wrong words. That wrong words means that if anybody used that wrong words, then that wrong words directly spear to the heart of the listeners, means other members, then other members that hurt, and after hurting that the argument begins. So that this is the subject of today's that this lesson, that means think before you speak, in the next lecture. Thank you.